Today we are going to tour 9326 West Mary Ann Drive in Peoria, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Peoria, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Peoria. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-family home was built in 2000 and offers 1,272 square feet of comfortable living space. It is conveniently located near local schools, shopping centers, and major highways, offering easy access to the greater Peoria area. Additional amenities include a 2-car attached garage and a low-maintenance yard. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating an inviting atmosphere for daily living and entertaining. And the kitchen is equipped with ample cabinetry and modern appliances. To wrap up the tour, here is a peek at the primary bedroom, which features an ensuite bathroom and a spacious closet. Don't miss the opportunity to live in this beautiful home. Schedule a self-showing before it's gone.